eater. This is where stray birds come in here to eat. They must be pretty hungry. I can't believe how zoologists and zookeepers were so kind to animals. Even zoologists even study about their insides. Well, I don't know why I heard about dissection, but I hope there'll be no dissection. Instead, they're just examining it like a zoo doctor. I'm so glad there's a ramp in case any one of us might be in a wheelchair. Just like I got my rolling backpack. Oh look, we're up there. Not only there's a harbor seal, a California sea lion. Let's read up there. California sea lion, Lobo marino de California, Xalophus californianus habitat. These oceanic mammals congregate in rookeries from Baja to Central California. Males disperse to haul-out sites as far as Alaska and south to Central America. Food. Sea lions consume a wide variety of prey. Their main diet in California consists of local fish, octopus, and squid. Wow, those are interesting facts. I'm gonna guess what kind of harbor seals and sea lions have in common. Okay, if the sea lions eat local fish, octopus, and squid, I think there are similarities between the sea lion and harbor seals. Okay, harbor seals and sea lion, they both eat fish, octopus, and squids. Now that's the similarities, and what makes and here's the differences. Harbor seals, they eat crustaceans, shellfish, and seabirds, while the sea lion don't. Now that's all the comparison and contrast I explained to you. Okay, so the sea lion only eats local fish, octopus, and squid, just like that harbor seal that eats fish, octopus, and squid also. But the only biggest difference is the harbor seal different from the sea lion. So sea lion eats only 3 kinds, and harbor seal eats like more than 3 kinds. For example, harbor seal also eats crustaceans, shellfish, and seabirds. Now that is a good comparison and contrast. Now that's all you need for your homework in case you can get a good job in your homework. Like, what is the similarities and differences between harbor seals and the sea lion? Now, let's take a look over there. There it is. Now that is a California sea lion. You can see a different patterns. And on the right you see is a harbor seal. They must have lived together. Look at the pattern on the body. In order to tell the difference, to match up this picture, that means the spotted seal is a harbor seal, while this one has no spots. It's a California sea lion. So lots of seals and animals have different patterns and different textures in skin. Both of them have like the smooth hairless skin. So when they're warm-blooded mammals, it means they don't need fur to grow on their skins because different kinds of animals are born hairless, like that one. But on the inside, the body is a warm blood. Now that's more like response to stimuli in growth and development and reproduction. Now that's what makes them some interesting warm-blooded mammals that have lots of differences. Now then, let's go to the next animal. Come on. And here up there, now that's another room. You can, over there's on the left side, and right here on the right side. Where'd he go? There must be a cave, which is like I would say a tunnel. Yeah, it's a nice waterfall too. I heard Olsen has a hydrogen mixed with sodium, so that's what they make the Olsen salty. And that's why they call it saltwater Olsen. I didn't know there's a seat up there, so that way we can have a better view. Oh, now that's the tunnel I was talking about. Over there, I can see how the sea lion and the harbor seal move from this side to another. Let's go now. No, thanks.
Performing?
But performing? No. What? I'm okay, thank you.